Welcome to Math Videos. Today we are discussing some problems in a Maths 2B, the chapter is System of Circles. In this topic, the first question, short answer type question, listen. Find the radical center of the circles x square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y plus 5 equals 0, comma x square plus y square minus 2x minus 4y minus 1 equals 0 and x square plus y square minus 6x minus 2y is equal to 0. So in this question what we are finding? We are finding the radical center of these three circles. So the solution, listen, first we are writing that the given three circles we are naming as S dash, S double dash, S triple dash. So these are the given three circles. Now we are finding the radical center of these three circles. So what is the radical center means? See here in the figure, suppose here this is S dash equal 0, S double dash equal 0, S triple dash equal 0. These are the three circles. The three circles radical axis intersecting point is the radical center. Means this is straight line, it gives the equation of radical axis of these two circles, and this line it is the radical axis of these two circles. Means this equation is S dash minus S double dash equal 0 and this equation is S double dash minus S triple dash equal 0. So we are finding these two lines equations, that is nothing but radical axis of the pair of circles. So the first one, the radical axis of S dash equal 0 and S double dash equal 0 is S dash minus S double dash equal 0. So see here, this is S dash equal 0. We are writing here S dash equal 0 first, minus of S double dash. So when you are doing minus means minus of all these terms means the first one plus is there, it becomes minus, minus it becomes plus, plus and this is plus. So that I wrote here. And after plus x square plus y square, this side minus x square minus y square are cancelled. Remaining minus 4x plus 2x means minus 2x, minus 6y plus 4y is a minus 2y and 5 plus 1 is equal to 6 equal 0. You take a minus common from this, then this is 2x plus 2y minus 6 equals 0. Let it be equation 1. So we got this line equation, radical axis. And next we have to find the one more radical axis equation, that is the radical axis of S double dash equal 0 and S triple dash equal 0 is S double dash minus S triple dash equal 0 is S double dash minus S triple dash equal to 0. So S double dash, this equation x square plus y square minus 2x minus 4y minus 1 minus this one. So if you multiply with the minus, the signs will change, minus x square minus y square plus 6x plus 2y, that I wrote here. And now x square y square terms are cancelled. After minus 2x plus 6x means plus 4x, minus 4y plus 2y means minus 2y, minus 1, only one constant is there as it is, we are writing equal to 0. So let it be equation 2. Now solving these two equations, then we will get the radical center. The intersecting point of these radical axes is the radical center. So solving the equation 1 and 2, we will get the radical center. So in equation 1 and 2, you observe here plus 2y minus 2y. The y coefficients are same. Means just if you add these two equations, the y terms will be cancelled. We will get the x value. See here, 2x plus 2y minus 6 equals 0, 4x minus 2y minus 1 equals 0. By adding, these two are cancelled. 2x plus 4x is 6x and minus 6 minus 1 is a minus 7 equals 0. So 6x is equal to 7, then x is equal to 7 by 6. We got x value. So to get y value, how you do? You substitute this x is equal to 7 by 6 in either equation 1, equation 2. So I am substituting in the first equation 2x 2 into 7 by 6 plus 2y as it is minus 6 equal to 0. Here 2 1s are 2 3s are, so 2y is equal to minus 6 come this side plus 6 and 7 by 3 come this side minus 7 by 6, which is equal to LCM, you take 3 is a LCM, 6 3 is 18 minus 7 by 3 which is equal to 11 by 3. So y value is 11 by 3 I got, but 2y is equal to 11 by 3, y is equal to 11 by 6. Therefore radical center becomes 7 by 6 and 11 by 6. Thank you. Welcome to math videos. So previously we discussed one problem in a maths 2b system of circles. Now the second problem is show that the angle between the circles x square plus y square equal to a square comma x square plus y square equal to ax plus ay is 3 pi by 4. Okay. Here, whatever given, we are writing that let given circles are S and S dash. The first circle, given circle, we are naming as S. Second circle is S dash. That is x square plus y square minus a square equal 0 is S. And S dash is x square plus y square. Take this ax this side minus ax. Ay come this side minus ay equal to 0. Okay, now compare these circles with a general form of a circle. The general form of the circle is this one, x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equals 0. So the first circle and second circle, we are comparing their general forms. So I am writing the second circle general form as x square plus y square plus 2g dash x plus 2f dash y plus c dash is equal to 0. So when you compare these two circles with their general form, see what you will get here. X coefficient is 2g. There is no x term here. That's why g is equal to 0. In the same way, y coefficient is to f. There is no y term. That's why it is also 0. F equals 0. And constant is minus a square. So c is equal to minus a square. And compare the second circle s dash with this s dash. Then 2g dash is equal to x coefficient minus a. So 2g dash is equal to minus a means g dash is equal to minus a by 2. Like a 2f dash is equal to minus a means half in this, f dash equal to minus a by 2, and c dash constant is, there is no constant here, that's why we are taking 0. Now if theta is angle between the two circles, then cos theta is equal to formula c plus c dash minus 2 of gg dash plus ff dash by 2 into under root of g square plus f square minus c into under root of g dash square plus f dash square minus c dash. So in this formula, we are substituting the above values g, f, c, g dash, f dash, c dash values. Then we will get the cos theta value. See, c value minus a square plus c dash is equal to 0 and minus 2 of g 0 into g dash minus a by 2 plus f is equal to 0, f dash is equal to minus a by 2 by 2 into under root of g square 0 square 0, f square 0 square 0 minus c minus of minus a square means plus a square, and under root of g dash square minus a by 2 whole square, and f dash square means minus a by 2 whole square, again it is a square by 4, minus c dash means there is no c terms is 0, therefore minus a square, these all becomes 0 because 0 into something 0, 0 into something 0 means this totally 0, only we have in numerator minus a square, so minus a square by 2 into this root of a square becomes a, and this is a square by 4, a square by 4 is equal to 2a square by 4, 2 1s are 2 2s are means a square by 2 will come, root a square value a, so a by root 2 will come. Now it becomes this is equal to, here this is a square, this a into a also a square, so we can cancel this a square and a square. The remaining part is minus 1 by 2 by root 2. 2 by root 2 value is equal to root 2. So minus 1 by root 2. Cos theta is equal to minus 1 by root 2 means, which is equal to cos 3 pi by 4 or cos 135 degrees. Therefore theta is equal to 135 degrees or 3 pi by 4 is the required angle. Okay. So in this question, we are showing that angle between the two circles is 3 pi by 4. Thank you.